Hey guys, what's up? My name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're going to go to straight to Forsage's website and we're going to go over a few FAQs. But before we get started, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, you guys will get a notification. So with that being said, let's get into the actual video. So we're on Forsage website. Again, I'm sure you guys are familiar with it by now. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go in the FAQ section and I'm just going to read about 5 FAQs. I feel like the ones that are like the most important. So, and I'm going to read them and then like I'll just like sum it up so that way you guys can have like a better understanding of what it is. Okay, so the first one, what is Forsage? Forsage, crowdfunding international platform of new generation and the first ever smart contract with the marketing of type matrix and the blockchain of ethereum cryptocurrency. It software algorithm performs the function of a distribution of the affiliate commissions between community members and observance observance of certain conditions. Okay, so basically, like I said before, so basically Forsage is just like a smart contract blockchain where you can earn Ethereum. That's like in simple form, like a simpler way to put that, or whatever the case may be. And also, if you guys come to their website and you guys actually read some of these FAQs, you're gonna realize there's some words in here that they're not English. Like they're not English at all. I even Googled a couple of these words before I even recorded this video, and Google was confused, or Google was giving it to me in a different language. So I might have skipped over a word or two. So just putting that out there as well, just in case you guys came and read the FAQs and you're like, wait a minute, that you mixed that up a little bit. So yeah, so let's move on to the next one. So who manages the platform? So the platform for Forsage, sorry, I keep saying Forsage, I don't know why. But Forsage does not have a manager. There are the creators of the smart contract who works in the Ethereum blockchain. This means that the platform is fully decentralized. So basically what this is saying is, since they said that the platform is fully decentralized, like they said, there's no managers, there's no admins, there's nothing like that, no leaders, none of that at all. So no one manages the platform, basically. All right, so what is Ethereum? I just made a video about this the other day, but I did leave out this key point, so I'm glad that I'm going over this right now. So Ethereum is one of the leading cryptocurrencies established in 2015. That's the part that I left out when it was actually established. The blockchain of the cryptocurrency allows you to create on the basis of the smart contracts. A huge number of large crypto companies uses this currency. So basically, this is just telling you when Ethereum was established, which was in 2015, so it's about 5 years ago. And also, they're saying like a huge number of the large crypto companies use this currency, which is Ethereum. All right, so we're going to do 2 more. What is a smart contract and what are its advantages? So, smart contract, the algorithm inside the blockchain cryptocurrencies. In our case, that Ethereum is number 1 among those on which it is possible to create smart contracts. The main purpose of such contracts is the automation of the relationship and the opportunity to make commitments. So basically, that's like self-explanatory right there. Yeah, it's no way I can even really break that down. All right, and what is decentralization? We went over this already, but we can just read this last one. It says, it is a system in which there are no admins. There is no single server or system monitoring project management. The creators of the platform are the same project participants like you. So basically, like we said earlier, there's no managers, there's no admins, there's nobody like monitoring it. There's not one single server monitoring it or whatever. So basically, the people that created the platform, they're like in the same position as we are. They have the same access as we do, which is our Forsage page, and that's it. Okay, guys, so with that being said, I thought that it would be a good idea just to go over the 5 top ones that I felt as though would be like the main questions, but they do have like more and more questions. So maybe in another video, I might go over some more of these, pick a different 5 or something like that. But with that being said, guys, that's the end to this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope everyone is great.